How's it going? Good morning, good day, good evening, whatever it is for you. So I'm just sitting out here drinking a little coffee with the birds. I have to apologize a little bit just because I finished the rabbit hut section of my hut. I didn't film any of it. I just kind of wanted to get it done, but I'll give a little rundown on it. I still have to, get some paint on this wood because it's gonna rot on me. It'll be a cheap wood. It's gonna have its problems, so I need to get paint on it. I still need to put a skirt of chicken wire along the bottom. Probably a couple other things as I find them, but without further ado, let's go ahead and show you a little bit of what I got. I regret sitting my coffee down. The birds will probably get into it. Okay, so here's there it is. See the quail and then the rabbits. I just made a little latch up here on top. Now you'll see up here I put plastic. That's so that I didn't want it raining down and causing flood and causing problems here in the quail lid. There is wire across the top as well. Here, I'll go ahead and show you around and maybe I can do this with my coffee. I certainly don't want it to get cold, right? You can see there's a window that goes all the way around. The plastic is held on with the little boards. Let's see, with those little boards holding them on. So back over here. Okay, let's go take a look inside. It's not extremely roomy in here, but I think it is enough. It's kind of a little workstation there. I got all the paint I need to paint the coop with. I'm also going to use this for storing my feed, so I've got the wild seeds and the baby chick food in there, and then I moved the layer feed and the finisher feed in there. It's not mixed, it's in the bags. But I will suggest to people, if you can get the metal trash cans, that's probably the best way to go. As you can see, I've had critters chewing. They're trying to chew their way in. But now that I got this room sealed off, I think it'll be fine. It's not quite mouse proof yet, but I'm going to make it mouse proof. You see, I'm not quite ready for rabbits. I've got, these are bird cages, but I think I can alter them enough to make them good rabbit cages. The shelving stuff, this is a bit wide, so I'm not too sure what I'm going to do there. I got some other cage stuff somewhere, I just got to find it. And hopefully that will work. And then you see, you just go right into the quail thing there. I kind of like the idea because I can see I can have this door shut. And if I go into the quail deal, and if any of them sneak past me, they'll just be stuck in here. So instead of in the yard. Hopefully they don't try to get out. Hopefully I'll be slick enough to not let any get that far. But there you go. Yeah, you can see the wire. Be able to store some of my tools in here. I got my pitchfork and a shovel over there. Got 2 of these swimming pool nets. It helps me when the ducks are out on that little pond. If they don't want to go to bed, they're not big enough to scoop them up. You know what I'm just saying. I just kind of put them out there around them, and they kind of just to avoid them, they go the way I want. So yeah, there you have it. Okay, so I'm gonna come back here and there you have it. My paradise made of all trash. Not all trash. I did have to buy a few things, but all this lumber, the swimming pool liner, the big tubes I used for the greenhouse over there, all these boards. So basically, I had to invest in chicken wire and some plastic, even though I had an uncle that gave me some plastic. And these doors, I found the doors, so, and some of the boards, just like on here, some of the boards. Most of the boards on that were free. So see, I still got some lumber there, and I got some lumber here. This is becoming my plan for the duck hut extension. Build it right here. It'll be similar to that size, I think. I'll take the roof over. I'll wire in what needs to be wired. I'll board what needs to be boarded. I'll put another door right here. I'm going to open up this section so they can come all the way through and right into their duck space. And I'll have a door here so that I can get in and then go in and collect duck eggs. I figured, I'll have boards across here going up staircase like, so they can get in there that way. And we'll see how that goes. That's not totally planned out. I've got my ideas in my head, but it's not totally planned out. There you go, fun times. There's my paradise of whatever I found and built and started. So, it has been a lot of hard work. I was pretty late last night, about 12-ish, when I stopped working. So yeah, my body's hurting again. My hands, they're really just so sore and I have a hard time moving, but that's that. I still need to paint this though, because I plan on getting I'm getting 2 more ducks on Wednesday, which is tomorrow, and then the quail. My free rabbits hasn't came through. I was given an email to a person who had 4 rabbits, and that's kind of what I wanted. I wanted 4 or 5 rabbits. I wasn't going to eat these rabbits. These were going to be my pet ones. And if I could ever breed them from there, then maybe I could get into doing that. But I was going to use their poop, But the person never got back to me. So I'm going to go. I'll check y'all later, and I'll get to work here in a little while. I'll show you when I finish it. I'm not going to show painting it. Anyway, I feel like I'm tired, hurting, and rambling. I wish I didn't have to work late. I was gonna come out late last night and show everybody that I was working late again. I just didn't want to. I wanted to get it over with. Sorry about that. But there you have it. I got a chicken pecking at my foot. There's a chicken pecking at my foot. Pecking at my foot. Anywho, check you later. Woo.